This is how you can create your own free website and your own free digital business card. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome in and/or welcome back to my channel, Home of Christy T. I'm Christy T, interior designer, content creator, and lover of all things home decor and DIY. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can create your own free website using Canva, as well as how you can create your own free digital business card. Now, if you didn't know, I am an entrepreneur and owner of my own small business. And if you follow me over on Instagram at Home of Christy T, then you know that this week I announced that I launched a new website for my business undergoing a rebranding. So today I'm going to show you all about how I did that for free and how you yourself can do that to get your business right off the ground.
So first things first, we are heading over to Canva, and once you are there, you can simply just type in websites. Now, depending on what kind of website you're looking for, Canva has it all. They have a huge selection of templates that you can easily choose to start your project, or you can choose to start from scratch. Now, for today's project, we are simply going to choose one of these templates to create our mock website so that I can show you a step-by-step process of how to set this up. So once you have selected the website that you'd like to use, you can go ahead and press continue with this template. Now, the perfect thing about this template itself is that this is perfectly set up for if you just want a landing page from your social medias, such as Instagram, TikTok, or anything like that. It's similar to a link tree setup. So I'm going to show you what that would look like on both a website, on a computer, and how it would look on a phone, which is what this website right here is perfect for. See, it only has this one page, but it has where you can select links to different platforms or like information about the business itself, and you'll be able to create links to whatever you'd like to create links to, which I'm going to show you guys in a few seconds. So for this example, we are going to be creating a website similar to the one that I created, and I will be leaving that link down below if you guys want to check that out as well. Now for this, we're going to be using these templates that Canva so generously provides. All you're going to simply do is go over to design and select layouts, and then you'll be able to customize each page according to your desired look. Now, since this is an example, I'm just going to use some photos that Canva has on their website since we are creating a restaurant style website. However, if this is your website, I highly recommend you use photos that you have taken of your actual work of whatever your business that you are in, that you include those photos on your website. So with this, I'm going to go ahead and add a breakfast, lunch, and dinner style photo here, and then we're just going to make this our menu page. Now, one thing I will be showing you guys in a few minutes is how to also link these pages as well, so that your site has navigation on it as well, which is an option that Canva offers. So like I said, one thing I really love about this website and using Canva is that everything is simple, drag and drop, and you can fully customize this to however you want. You can add animations, videos, or anything like that. And as you'll see here, I'm creating a to-go order page, or like an order online page, and I'm just dragging and dropping some photos that are in the system as well. Now, once again, like I said, this is really easy to set up, and if you wanted to do just a single page landing, then you wouldn't have to add any of this. But since we're going to do this, we're going to go ahead and turn on this navigation system here. Now, if you choose to do without navigation, there won't be any tabs at the top that you can choose to navigate to each page. But if you turn on navigation, then you can simply go ahead and select which page you want to go down to, which is whether that's menu, about us, or anything like that, and it'll take you straight to that information. So this section is to show you how you can create links to different pages. So we're going to create a link to our menu page, which we just created with the breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and you simply just want to link that information to that title. So we're going to click menu, press link, and then select the page that we wanted to link to. And now once you go to your preview, you can see that once you press menu, it'll take you straight to the menu page. So now I want to show you guys how you can add a video to your website as well. Now, whether that's a branding video, a looping video, however, I'm just going to go ahead and use this video via Canva, because once again, this is just an example and obviously I don't own a restaurant. So we're going to use these words here and we're going to create an element on top of the video as well to make it very interesting. And we're just going to put made fresh, and I was going to put daily, but I think I decided to take that out. And we're also going to make this a full page element so that when it plays, it is on a full page versus just a cropped video. And then we're going to go in and select how we want these words to pop up when the page is loaded. We're also going to go ahead and turn on the repeat button, which is just going to allow the video to continue to loop throughout the time that your visitor is viewing your website. And we're going to set it to automatic play. Now let's go ahead and preview what that looks like on our website. So finally, I did go in and add an About Us page as well as a navigation/location page so that I can show you guys how the navigation bar works in this next step. So before we publish our website, we want to go in and make sure that all of our navigation is working. So as you can see here, every time I click a page according to its variant down below, then we are going to be able to pop right into that page no matter what it is, whether that's on a computer or on a phone. And our video is looking amazing on our website and all of our information is down here. So once again, you're going to fully customize this to your desired needs. You're going to check it on both computer wise and phone wise, because most of your customers normally come through phone or like social media, stuff like that. They're usually on their phone. So I highly recommend you double check and make sure everything looks good on both sides. So once you have all of that checked, it is time to go ahead and get ready to publish our website, which you'll see this is how I'm doing that here. You're just going to go ahead and click publish website. Now it's going to let you know if there's anything wrong, and since I have navigation selected, it's letting me know that I haven't titled any of my pages, and that is because of how I created the first landing page, as it links to all the pages itself. But if you don't have a page like my first page, which has links to each page on it, what you can do is go into each page's title and you'll see this button right here on the side, which allow you to go ahead and just simply click it, and at the top at the page number, you're going to just type in whatever that page title is and how it's going to be linked on your website. So whether that's menu, ordering online or delivery, about us, where we're located, or anything like that, you're going to just go ahead and create those navigations according to each page, and this is just going to be able to give you a drop down menu for your website. Now that everything is looking good, we can go ahead and select how we want our domain to appear. Now, if you want to continue as a completely free option, you can use Canva's domain that they provide for you, and you can just edit according to your business. But you also have the option to either purchase a domain or use an existing domain that you already own. And it's just going to allow you to search domains if you want to purchase one. So I'm going to go ahead and select something according to the brand that we have here, which is like the Leafly Kitchen, or even just the leaflykitchen.net. And once you have done that, you can choose to purchase it, and there are yearly plans, so whatever you pay, you will pay for that 1 year, and that is a really great price if you decide to go that option. But if you don't want to, you can use the free option.
Now, for the second part of this video, which is showing you how you can create your own free digital business card. This is a business card that basically someone can scan and be able to reach all the areas where you are on social media or even on the web, all of those kind of things. There are several companies like this, but this is how you can go ahead and create yours for free. Now, once again, this isn't sponsored, but we are heading back on over to Canva to get started with this process as well.
So this time, once you're in Canva, you want to just select phone wallpaper, and then we're going to click over here where it says project. And since we've already created that website, we're just going to use that same information to create this phone wallpaper. So this option is something I wanted to show you guys, where it can look like if you want to create your landing page like this as well. You could leave it like this and link this as a website on your social medias. But for the instance of creating a digital business card, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to go ahead and remove all of these little details inside, and then I'll be right back. So now that I have my template pretty much looking like how I would like it to look, I'm going to go over here to apps and I'm going to select QR code. Once you click QR code, you will be able to customize this and add any link that you'd like to link to this QR code. You can change the colors, the margins, or anything like that, however you want it to appear on your business card, your digital business card. And this is something you can always use in Canva for anything that you're creating, but we're going to paste a website here. I chose to just use a generic website that was a restaurant, so we didn't actually create the website itself, but you would paste your website or information here, and then you would just simply press generate link, and just like that, you have a QR code that you can customize for your business code. Now, once you have this all set up, you're going to simply press download as a PNG. Now, if you have the Canva app on your phone, you can download this on your phone, but if not, you can download it to your computer and send it to yourself.
Now, one thing I really love about this idea is that if you're headed to any kind of like networking event or anything like that where you would normally hand out your business card, you can easily just upload this as your wallpaper on your phone and simply have people scan it and you're good to go. Once they scan it, they'll be taken to any links that you decide to attach to it. I once again attached mine to my Canva website. This way, once they're on that Canva website, they have access to any of the information that has me on social media, Instagram, YouTube, anything like that, booking with my interior design business. So obviously go ahead and tailor this to however you would like for people to be able to find you. So then with your phone, while you're in public or when you have this, just for picturing this is on a screen, so then you would simply click your camera or have that person click their camera. They would be able to scan that barcode, click it, and be taken straight to whatever website you have linked there or whatever information you have linked there. Obviously, as you saw in our test, we used the McDonald's website as our link to our website, but this is just a template. So anyhow, so once you're done that, they'll be able to take it to whatever information is there and you're good to go. Alright guys, I really do hope that you enjoyed coming along for today's video. Please comment down below if you would like to see more videos like this. As you know, I am on an entrepreneurship journey. I have been for a while, since about 2019 at this point, and I would love to share all the information that I have behind the scenes with you guys, because we don't gatekeep over here, and if I know it, I'm happy to share with you guys. So comment down below, would you guys like to see something like that? I've considered starting just an entrepreneurship series where it just goes into different things that you guys can use and that will be helpful if you're starting your own business, if you have your own business, or anything like that. So as always, I will see you guys in next week's video. Bye.